Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Late Night Garage. Today's episode is going to be on more electrical testing. Today, we're going to be testing out this relay tester made by Performance Tool. Here are some of the key features. Designed to quickly test the condition of your relay out of the vehicle. Fully self-contained, no need to clamp cables onto the vehicle's battery. Test results provide good, bad indication, green LED for pass, red LED for fail. Accurately check the relay coil for circuit breaks and switch contacts. This is used to test the most common 12-volt, 4 and 5 pin relays found on today's vehicles. It's a compact design, nothing additional needed, super easy to use. All you need are the 4 AA batteries that are included. This here is going to allow me to test relays a lot faster than usual. In the past, I've had to hook one of these up to power and see if the relay clicks. Really quick, we need to run out to my F-150 and rob a couple of relays to actually even test. So let's run out there and do that real quick. We're just going to come out here and rob a couple off of the F-150 to check on that tester. All right, it's got us a couple of relays. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and put this thing together. All right. Takes 4 AA's. Now that we've got this assembled, now's a good time to go over some of the things that we'll do. This will test 4-pin and 5-pin. Both of our examples today are going to be 5-pin. Actually, I have a third example here too, but it's also 5-pin. And I have a relay of this variety and this one. I do not have any of this. All right, so we're going to start. We'll start with this little guy here. Go ahead and insert this and hit the test button. All right, cycled it like 5 times and said we're good. This one here is brand new, so I would be very shocked if it was not good. It's quite a bit louder. All right, then let's do this one right here. I was not expecting any of these to be bad, but oh, I guess it automatically tests if you do that, which is fine. All right. Well, that's about the extent of things here. I have some other relays, but they're not 12 volt. And everything else I have is 110 volt. You know what? I'm gonna go downstairs and see if I can find that. We'll throw it on here, I don't care. All right, I found the relays I was looking for. Completely different format. And they're not 120, they're 240. So these are actually for the board on my furnace. If you guys are interested, click the link in the description. This runs about 30 bucks, comes with the batteries, and you will be able to check all your relays quite a bit faster than going through all this. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate you guys tuning in and checking out my new tool. I will put a link to this in the description below in the event this is useful for you. Take care, guys. Have a great week.